Hi, friends. I'm Mimi. Welcome to the magical kitchen with Bobo the panda.
Hi, friends. I'm Bobo. Are you ready to cook with us?
Yay, let's go. Let's check our recipe book, Bobo.
Yay! I love cooking with you, Mimi. Wash the fish, slice the lemon.
Lemon slices ready. Slicey slice.
Clean and shiny fishy. Coming right up. Time to flip the fishy wig.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Careful with the heat, little chefs. Sizzle and stir.
Ooh, it smells so good. Ta-da! We did it! Bon appetit, little friends.
Yee, bro. Bon appetit. Mimi.
Goodbye, friends. See you next time.